Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today to share something a little different. I am so excited about this. This is my design team project for Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah. So let me just start off with that. So I used her Belvedere kits. It comes in two parts. You have the 11-page background kit, and then a 5-page ephemera kit that you can buy separately. So, and they're just like all of Tina's kits are just incredibly reasonably priced. So even if you want to buy both, so you have the full set, it's just really a really good price. This kit is so gorgeous. It is just so flowery, and oh my gosh, I am just in love with it. So that's what I used, paper wise. And then the actual box template is by Genevieve Designs, and she is here on YouTube. If you have not checked her out, you need to. She makes the most amazing templates for mini albums, and in this case, a little keepsake box. This kit, or this template, is actually her medium keepsake, let me start over. Her medium keepsake box and mini album template. So you get the templates for the box and the templates for the mini album in this when you buy this kit. I did not make the mini album this time. I just wanted to make the box because I needed a place to put a gift for my mom, and I thought it would be, way better to just put it in an amazing keepsake box that she can use to store things, or just, for decoration. I am so excited to give this to her. I am filming this before, obviously, she has seen it, so I won't be able to upload the video right away, but I'm so excited by this. This is my first attempt. Well, okay, it's my second attempt at making this box. I did like a little prototype just to make sure that I kind of had, I knew what I was doing before I, actually made this one. So that one I'm just gonna keep for myself because it's, it's just kind of plain and boring, but it'll be perfect for storing stuff. But this one I am absolutely in love with and I will be making more. And the templates make it so easy. All right, so let's get into kind of how I did this. So the basic box, structure is made with chipboard. I tried a thicker chipboard and it just didn't work. So this is more of I want to say it's a little thicker than a cereal box. It just was the best material I found to work with. My prototype, I used just a 300 or 320 or whatever GSM cardstock, and that worked really well too for me. When I tried to do anything thicker, a more sturdier bookboard or chipboard, the corners just never laid right. So that might just be something that I need to, work on. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I was totally happy with how this turned out with just a, fairly thin chipboard, because I layered on so many papers and things that now it's like, it's like a box. So I started with that, and it was just kind of a gray color, and I'm not sure, I'm going to try to find a spot where I can show you, maybe. I don't know if you can see. I painted it purple, just with some acrylic paint, just one coat on the edges. And then I went over that with white gesso, just because it was really bright, and I knew that I wanted to make this kind of, like shabby chic. You can hardly see any of the purple anyway, but yeah, so that's what I did to the base after I put the box together. And then I used Tina's gorgeous papers to do all of the little finishing work here. This is one of her background pages. This is a background page. Let me flip it over here. this is another background page. And then I'll show you the feet while we're here. I used some large pearl beads that I had, and I used, whoops, this adhesive. It's super strong. And I attached the pearl bead, and then I used these rose gold bead caps on there as well, just because I thought that was really pretty. The closure here is, I just have, it's a magnet closure, so it's nice and secure. I actually had to add an extra magnet because I started layering too much stuff, and it wasn't snapping shut like I wanted it to. But I added just a little bling on the top there. This is, you know, this little keyhole cutout, fussy cut, is part of Tina's kit. And I thought that was cute there. And then the top, this is one of the pieces from Tina's kit. And then I just kind of went nuts. I think this is the most shabby chic thing I have ever made. And I think I am now obsessed. Lisa, you can tell me if I did a good job. Lisa or Jennifer at A Trace of Sparkle. If Jennifer thinks that this is shabby chic enough, I will be quite happy because she does an amazing job. But I just layered a whole bunch of vintage laces and pieces of doily. These I got from Grammy's Keepsakes here. This lace is, I'm not sure where it came from. This piece here is from an old baby christening dress. There's a piece of vintage wedding dress back behind here. I'm not sure if you can see that. These phrases are not in Tina's kit. They were in my box of words and phrases. I do not know where they came from. I did not make them. I apologize. I have gotten those from different varying places, and I've just kind of cut them out and thrown them in, you know, in little tins and stuff. But I liked what it said, so I put that there. And then I just have all kinds of flowers here. I love these lace flowers. And, you know, I've got some, yeah, just other, this is like a tissue paper here. And then this is paper. These are really pretty glittery ones. Yeah, I love the top of this box so very much. And as you can see, I left the sides fairly plain, just because there was so much going on the top. I didn't want to overwhelm it. And then the inside, I'm so excited. So you open it up. All right, let me show you the top of the lid here. So we have another background page of Tina's, and you can see more of the purple here with the gesso. Let's see if that will show up. And then this is, I don't even know, just a piece of vintage lace that I cut down. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see better. And then I used a bunch of Tina's pieces from the kit. And then this label back here is also from the kit, and I just put another piece of this lace on there. And this is another word that was in my box of words. There are words that come with this kit, but I didn't use them for this project. And then I've just got a piece of avocado dyed cheesecloth behind that. And then this is the offcut from this lace, whoops, this lace here. And I just put that behind that pretty flower. I've got some pearl trim here. Oh, I just love how this turned out. And then there's some lace down here on the hinge, inside hinge part. All right. And then I wrapped lace around, or this is some crochet from a piece of clothing. I just wrapped that around the edges because they were still rather purple. And I just liked how it looked, you know, with just a little bit of lace around there. And then this is a large piece from the kit that I think is just absolutely gorgeous. And I just glued that onto an envelope that I had avocado dyed. And I used some more fussy cuts to make the little closure. So isn't this gorgeous? Look at this piece. I love this. And then I just cut a strip from the background page that I used for the, you know, the finishing on the box, and made just a little place. This is a piece from the kit that I punched out with a scallop punch, and then that just makes a little closure for the envelope. And inside are a bunch of journaling spots my mom can use, and just, whoops, that's upside down, just pretty pieces from the kit that I, you know, obviously when you're making a journal, you would put these in, but I just, you know, it's a box. So I thought, well, my mom can have them and she can write on the back. I printed this page onto the back, and then I just put those in the envelope for her. And that fits in there, it fits in the box perfectly. And then we'll get to this in a second, but here is the bottom of the box. So all of this is glued down. I have a bigger piece of that doily, crochet doily from Grammy's Keepsakes. These are pieces from the kit, and this large check in the back is also from the kit. I just have a piece of trim over here. There's some pearl trim glued down back here. And then this is, let's see, I'll show you. It came like this, and I just cut off a piece, and I used glossy accents to hold some of it. It was a bit tricky because it was, since it was wound around that spool, it wanted to not stay down. Do you know what I mean? So I had to kind of glue it in stages, like pearl by pearl. And then by the time I got over here, I was kind of frustrated with the glossy accents because it was taking too long to hold. I started using just Fabri-Tac. And you know, it worked just fine. In the future, I think I would just use Fabri-Tac to hold that down. It seemed to be quicker. You know, the dry time was way quicker, but I love how this looks. I just love it. I used some blue cardstock underneath of Tina's papers in the corners and the creases, just to give it some more sturdiness on the inside as well as the outside. And then, so what I originally wanted this box for was to hold the gift that I had purchased for my mom back a while ago. So I'm going to show you that real quick. I'll leave this here so you can look at that too. But I have these like jewelry layaway envelopes, I guess they are. I'm not sure if they're what they are, but they're jewelry envelopes. So I thought that was kind of perfect for what's inside. Now I purchased these from the amazing Nikki at Musings by Nikki. She has, I'm gonna check, but I will link her shop in the description anyway. But I think she might have some more available in her shop. But look at how gorgeous these pieces of jewelry are. So this is a bracelet. Look at how gorgeous that is. She just layered paper and I think Mod Podge or some sort of medium, you know, and they're like beads now. And then this one's elastic, and she's got these really pretty wood beads here. I mean, how gorgeous is that? Who would have thought to use, these are Tracy Fox's kits. Who would have thought to use a digital kit and make jewelry, right? Like, how awesome is that? I had never seen that before, and I had to have these. And my mom loves butterflies. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is just the most beautiful necklace. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. And like I said, I'll link Nikki's shop regardless of whether there are any of these left or not. You need to go check out her work because she does amazing work as well. And she has awesome digital kits too. So go check her out. All right, and I just tucked that into the jewelry envelope because it fit perfectly. And that way it kind of hides, you know, hides the gift inside the box. And then I'm going to wrap that up and I'm going to give it to my mom in a couple days, and I am so excited. Guys, I hope you like this, and I hope it kind of gave you some ideas. You know, when you buy a digital kit that is, you know, called a junk journal kit, right? I know for me, a lot of times I'm like, I have to make a journal, right? But you don't. You can use that same kit to do so many things, and I hope that this showed you one option. And go check out Genevieve's YouTube and her, it's Jen, her name's Jen. Go check out her YouTube and her Etsy shop, because she has some amazing templates, and she hand draws them. They're not done digitally, all of the templates, so that is just amazing as well. So yeah, I hope you like my little keepsake box, and I hope you have a fabulous day. I will be back soon. I know I have been sort of neglectful of the 3 and 30 challenge, but with Christmas and everything and my kids being in town, I wanted to take some time away from that and, you know, do some other things with my kids and stuff. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.